in this session, we discuss how we can access instance variable within a class and outside the class. If you want to access instance variable within a class or outside the class, so how we can access instance variable within a class and outside the class. So now read this point. We can access instance variable within a class by using self variable. So within a class, you can use instance variable by using self variable, and outside of the class, you can use instance variable by using object reference. So remember this point. Keep in your mind what point. If you want to access instance variable within a class, then you can use or access by using self variable. If you want to use instance variable outside the class, then you can use or access those instance variable by using object reference. So now comes in program and try to understand. So now here we define one class with name demo. Inside the demo class, we define one constructor, and inside the constructor we are declaring two instance variables, self.a equal to 10 and self.b equal to 20. So now we want to define another method, info method. So now we want to display instance variable informations. Suppose we want to use instance variable. Where you want to use instance variable? In this time we want to use instance variable within a class. If within a class, if you want to use instance variable, you can use by using self variable. Self.a means the current object instance variable information. So it will give you current object instance variable informations. So now we are writing another line, b equal to comma self dot b. So now come out of the class, and here we create one object of a class, d1 equal to demo. Once you create the object of class, constructor of class is invoked, and at the time of object creation, two instance variable will be added to this object. So now we want to display those instance variable informations. If you want to display those instance variable information, you can call simply which method? Info method by this object, because info method contains the information of those instance variables. So now save this applications and run this application and check the output. So watch here, we got the instance variable informations. So suppose if you want to fetch outside the class, so how we can fetch outside the class instance variable? So here we are writing one statement, accessing instance variable outside the class. If you want to fetch outside the instance variable value, so how you can fetch? You can fetch by using reference variable. So remember this point, whenever you are trying to fetch instance variable information outside the class, you can fetch that instance variable information by using reference variable of an object. So here we can use a equal comma d1 dot a. So d1 dot a what gives? It gives the instance variable information of d1 object. So now we want to fetch another informations. So b equal to comma d1 dot b. Now save this application and run this application. So watch here, you got it, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So now you have got it instance variable information. So how we can fetch instance variable information within a class and outside the class? If you want to fetch instance variable information within a class, we can fetch by using self variable. If you want to fetch instance variable information outside the class, then we can fetch by using object reference variable. I hope you will understand. Thank you.